Hi friends, I welcome back to all into my YouTube channel Literature Insights. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel Literature Insights yet, so please subscribe it by pressing the bell icon button on your screen for getting further notification and updates of my forthcoming videos. In this video, I am going to explain you another significant syllabus of English optional paper number 6 American Literature introduced by Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded from the same academic year to the students of English optional. So now here let's have a look of the syllabus of BA second year English optional paper number 6 American Literature. And now here I would like to congratulate BOS in English to introduce a special paper on American literature for the students of English optional. So now let's see here the new syllabus for BA second year with effect from 2020-2021. So now here is the name of the course optional English, title of the paper American literature, and paper number is 6. Syllabus is based on choice-based credit system. Syllabus is implemented by Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded from the academic year 2020-21. Now here are some of the objectives of the course designed by the BOS in English, Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University. So have a glance over the objectives of the course. So number one, to address the works of several major writers from the American literary traditions. So now it is essential for the students of English to make aware them with several major writers with their works written in American literary tradition. Number two, to introduce the landmarks in American literature in various literary genres. So now here it is very essential to make aware the students about the landmarks in American literature using various literary genres. Number third, to impart an in-depth understanding of writings with dominant debates of a period like religious, social, philosophical, political and aesthetic aspects of American literary tradition. So it is very significant for the learners of English optional to make aware with the special aspects like religious, social, philosophical, political, aesthetic aspects of American literary tradition through the works of well-known writers in American literature. So now here are some of the intended outcomes set up by the BOS in English. So have a glance over it. So number one, the learners will gain an overall insight of the American literature and understand the background, historical context, the importance of American literature and its role in the society. So now here it is a very important outcomes have been set up by the BOS in English. So now the learners will get and thorough information or perspectives about the American literature, as well as they are well acquainted with the background of the American literature and its historical context, the importance of American literature and the role of American literature in the making of the society. The learners will identify, explicate and respond to key themes and elements in American literature in various literary genres. So now here the learners will identify and logically explains and respond to key themes and elements in American literature explained by using various literary genres like prose, poetry, fiction and drama. Students will be enabled to review and recognize the body of literary works from America and will be able to understand the American spirit as well as to analyze various literary innovation and their culture. So this is one of the significant outcomes of the course. So now here are some of the significant outcomes have been set up by the BOS in English for the learners of English optional. Syllabus for semester 3rd American literature paper number 6. So the syllabus is very significant and very lucid and useful for the learners of English literature. So now here I have given a table. In that table there you can see module, unit number, content and title. So module number 1. So content is introduction, brief history. So title is brief history of American literature. So unit number 1 deals with brief history of American literature. Number 2 poetry. Now here in this module we can see the two poems have been given. So number 2 Song of the Open Road written by Walt Whitman, and in number 3 there are two poems written by Hughes. So number 1 I too, number 2 The Negro Speaks of Rivers written by Langston Hughes. Then module number 3 fiction. So in this module there are two fictions. So number 4 To Build a Fire written by Jack London. Number 5 The Celebrated Jumping Frog of Clara's Country written by Mark Twain. So then module number 4 prose. So in this module there is one prose of Ralph Waldo Emerson, The American Scholar written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Then module number 5 has one drama, and the title of the drama is All My Sons written by Arthur Miller. Marking pattern for the paper. So now here as we know earlier, the syllabus is based upon choice based credit system, that is known as a CBCS pattern. So now here it is very significant for the students or learners of English optional to know the total mark systems of this paper. So now earlier there were a mark system, but nowadays in a choice based credit system 3 credits have been allotted to the paper. So now here we have total credits 3. So 1 credit carries 25 marks. So is equal to total marks is 75 for the paper. Now here this total credits 3 divided into two parts. Number 1 continuous internal assessment, and number 2 end semester examination. So now in the first part, continuous internal assessment, CA, having 25 marks means 1 credit. So now here is the nature of continuous internal assessment. How does it conduct? So number 1 class test oblique mid semester exam of 10 marks, then plus there is a tutorial oblique project oblique viva of 15 marks, so is equal to 25 marks. The students have to attend one class test or a mid semester exam for 10 marks plus tutorial project or viva of 15 marks during the semester. So in this way he will get 25 marks for the continuous internal assessment. Then now here is the second aspect, end semester examination, which is known as ESE, having a 50 marks. So it has 2 credits. So in this end semester examination the students have to solve theoretical questions in examination having 50 marks. So these are the significant marking pattern for the paper of American literature, paper number 6. So now with this I think it will be enough for the students to understand the marking pattern of the paper. Question paper pattern will be for the examination. So now here I have given a table. In this table there are question number, content and marks. So question number 1 descriptive answer type question on unit number 2 having 10 marks. Question number 2 descriptive answer type questions on unit 3rd having 10 marks. Third question descriptive answer type questions on unit 4 having 10 marks. Fourth descriptive answer type questions on unit 5th 10 marks. Question number 5 short notes 2 out of 4 on unit number 1st, it has 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 marks. So here in this question students have to solve 2 short notes out of 4 for 10 marks. So with this question paper pattern, so here the students have to solve the theoretical question paper pattern of 15 marks. So I think it will be significant or important to know the question paper pattern for the students of English optional for the preparation of examination as well as study. Publication of text. So as we know, when the syllabus is changed, students having a curiosity about the text or books, when will it available in the market. So now here the prescribed text anthology to be published by Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University Nanded through Macmillan Education Publisher, and it will be available in the market for the students very soon. Now here the syllabus is affiliated colleges to Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University Nanded, Maharashtra. So we have seen this is a syllabus of English optional paper number 6 American literature, and in this paper the BOS in English have covered almost all genres of literature like prose, poetry, fiction and drama. And so with this, if you like my video on the syllabus of BA second year English optional paper number 6 American literature, so please share, subscribe my YouTube channel Literature Insights, an easy platform to learn English language and literatures in English. Thank you for watching.